In this quick iPhone tutorial, I'll show you how to change photographic styles so you can customize the look of your photos before you take them. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on Camera. Next, scroll down again and select Photographic Styles. Here, you can choose from different camera styles, including standard, rich contrast, vibrant, warm, and cool. Simply swipe through the available styles to preview how each one changes the look of your photos. When you find the style you like, tap Use to apply it. Your iPhone will automatically use that photographic style every time you take a photo until you change it again. Once you're done, open the Camera app and start taking photos with your new style applied. And that's it. Now you know how to change photographic styles on iPhone 14 to make your photos look exactly the way you want. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below for more quick iPhone camera tutorials.